सो थर्ड कैमरा चालू है, स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग चालू है, कैम 1 चालू है और लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ क्रिएटर्स हैंगआउट. 3, 2, 1 एक्शन. सो वेलकम रायवा,
थैंक यू
वेलकम टू क्रिएटर्स हैंगआउट.
थैंक यू.
एंड फर्स्ट आयरॉनिक थिंग ये है कि हम बहुत दूर रहते हैं एक दूसरे से.
अरे बहुत बहुत दूर.
बहुत मतलब इतना मुश्किल है ना. उसके वहाँ पे इंटरनेट कनेक्शन भी नहीं आता है कभी भी. मेरे यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा नेटवर्क इशू होता है. मतलब सच कहो तो इतने दूर रहते हैं. कहाँ पे रहते हैं रायवा, हम कितने दूर रहते हैं ज़रा बताइए.
मैं यहाँ से देखूँ तो बहुत दूर, और आपका घर तो बहुत दूर दिखाई देता है
बहुत
यहाँ
दूर.
से.
ये इधर
और
इधर ये इतना इतना
हाँ
दूर है कि बाजू के बिल्डिंग में.
हाँ.
So we literally stay so close, but maintaining social distancing.
हैशटैग
Um,
लॉकडाउन.
Hashtag lockdown. We are maintaining this whole discipline. That is why we are doing it on video call. And वो प्रथा है creators hangout की. Probably. So first of all, I'm very happy to have you on the show because you are the first filmmaker on creators hangout,
थैंक यू.
and
थैंक्स अ लॉट.
we obviously talk about films a lot. So you are the founder of No Budget Productions, right? You have made short films that have won national awards in various short film festivals. So tell us something about No Budget Productions, the journey of No Budget Productions, and how did it all start?
So I was doing my 12th arts in Uparel College, if anyone knows that college. So वहाँ से I was like कि I need to do something in geography. Okay, I need to do something in geography or history something. And 12th standard में we had history of media related history. So I was like ये क्या है, मतलब media related history क्या है. So I was like कि interesting लग रहा है. And then I got to know from a senior, you might know him,
Yeah.
Sanket Nikam, you know him.
No. I've not heard his name.
He is 5 years elder to me, so 6
Oh.
years elder to you. So I was in a good touch with him because we used to play cricket for our school. So fun fact, we are from the same.
Yeah, we are from the same school.
Yeah. So he told me कि BMM नाम का एक सब्जेक्ट है, so ट्राई कर, see the prospectus and देख ले क्या होता है.
जमता है तो कर ले.
तो हाँ, जमता है तो कर ले. So because he was a BMM passed out from Ruya College, and he was like कि तू रुया में आ जा, I am here, but I didn't know that when I went in, he passed out. So I was like कि ठीक है चल, रुया है, BMM है. So I opted BMM because I like the subjects. I was into photography a bit. I was like planning to do filmmaking, but not quite really. I had tried my hands in some short films with my friend Yogesh Lat, but वो कुछ हुआ नहीं workout. But passion था थोड़ा, and I used to act and dance as Sujay knows in school days. So वो सब कुछ मिला के I went into BMM Ruya College, and अचानक से first semester में we had a project कि you have to make a short film, and we didn't know how to make a short film first of all. Luckily I had some writings, visions and theater का experience. A friend of mine had a DSLR camera and a good laptop which he could edit on. So we made that short film. Everyone loved that short film for that project because we had been given some 10-15 days to make a short film. Like 10-15 days is like too much for me right now, but 10-15 days that time it was like अरे यार 10 ही दिन है यार क्या. हाँ. So we made that short film and everyone liked the concept of that short film. It was on college ragging and stuff. So everyone loved that short film, and January 2017 we had a short film festival in which we had to make short film in 60 hours only. Only 60. From like 60 hours में टॉपिक मिलेगा, we had to find the locations, we had to write the script, we had to shoot, we had to edit, and we had to submit. And me being a stubborn person, I opted for the object mirror,
Hmm.
and I lost 11 hours of my 60 hours in that. And so,
In what? To just finalize the subject.
yes, so we had been given points, and when we lost all the points, we had to bid our hours. Ki I'll make the film in 58 hours.
Huh.
No, 57. So like that, I won the bid, and we had to make the film in 49 hours.
Okay.
Cut to, we make the film, we win the competition,
Wow.
and a few seniors of mine, I'll take their names also: Parish Nikal, Akshay Kulkarni, Rishikesh Joshi, Karan Bichu, and like a few seniors, 1 year
Elder.
elder. They had a production house named Flix Motion Pictures.
Okay.
So I was like, अरे ये हम भी बना सकते हैं. So I was like कि निखिल पटवर्धन नाम का एक friend है. So we decided कि we'll make this something a production house, and we were like कि क्या नाम decide करने का. And I was like कि देख, अपने पास budget तो नहीं है, अपने पास कुछ भी नहीं है, अपने पास एक कैमरा है जो छोटा मोटा जो है. So no budget productions, कि budget ही नहीं है, and we are making films. So that name final, like it was a pun which is successful right now a bit. So
That's
वो
how
हुआ.
it started.
And then, yeah, and then we kept making films, but Nikhil Pardhan chose a different stream right now. He's into journalism, working for a reputed brand in journalism, and I am working together with everyone, me, my mom, my dad, and all my
अच्छा रायबा एक सेकेंड. सो एक थोड़ा टेक्निकल ग्लिच हो गया था. So Raiba was
बड़ा नहीं, बहुत बड़ा था.
you were telling us that now NBP, No Budget Productions, is handled by you, your family, and some of your friends.
Yes,
Right. How many short films have you made till now?
I really don't have a count, but I'll name a few: Mirror Mirror, Basmya, Ek Salam, Nishvi, Killedar, Sound of Life, Stay Home, Stay Safe, and I have worked for a music video when I was in my first year. So 8 projects till now.
8 projects in
8 projects.
3 years. 2-3 years.
4 years.
4 years.
4 years.
Nice. So I've watched your short films, and they are really short, first of all. But the peculiar thing about NBP short films is that end में जो होता है, end वाला जो scene होता है, वो सब बदल देता है. ठीक है. So like देखोगे and end में एक ऐसा scene होएगा which gives you a deeper meaning of what the whole film is about. So as a filmmaker, when you sit and write scripts, when you brainstorm on ideas, how is your filmmaking process that goes?
Okay, so right now I'm not an expert about this कि मैं बोल दूँ और वो हो जाए. I'm still learning. I'm still learning how to write scripts, how to write screenplays, how to write effective scripts and effective dialogues. But my simple procedure is कि वो character को क्या, what the character will think at that time. Like in Pishri, if you see the film, after you see the podcast, just put yourself in that position. Like climax के पहले pause the film and just put yourself in that position and be like, what would you do? So similarly, I ask that character, what would you do? बाबरे तू ही बता कि मैं अब क्या करूँ तेरे साथ. So a few things come up during discussions. We had story changes on set during Basna. Like the ending scene was not yet not planned when like half day through the shoot.
Oh,
I was like कि end कुछ तो करना है, end कुछ तो करना है, end कुछ तो अच्छा करना है. And we discussed and we discussed about the end scene which is in the film, and we were like, okay, done, fine. It gives a
works
good,
for us.
like,
Works for
yeah,
you.
it works for the story, it works for the character, it works for the character which is dead. कि ये मतलब और लॉजिकल है. So to be honest,
तो काफी
now,
फ्लेक्सिबल है.
yeah, to be honest, till now I had only one pre-written script for my film, that is Pishwe.
Okay.
बाकी all the films were in my head or in form of notes कि ये दिखाना है, ये दिखाना है, इसके बाद ये होगा, इसके बाद वो होगा, like pointers के वजह से they were on my paper. So the thing is कि I'm learning to write scripts, I'm learning to write films, I'm learning to write the films at, like to make a film. Like it is good to make films on set, to be honest, when you are starting, क्योंकि you know वो कुछ तो होता है.
मिलता है.
Yeah,
वो
you
क्लिक
know-
होता है.
हाँ, click होता है. Like you get the you understand how not to make a film by that.
Right.
ऐसा नहीं करना है. Next time ये टेंशन नहीं चाहिए मुझको सेट पे. And the problem is when you are the director, when you are the cinematographer yourself, and when you have to see all the continuity mistakes and all, when you don't have a assistant kept only for that कि भाई तू continuity देख, तू कॉल दे, मैं डायरेक्टर के जैसा बैठता हूँ, वैसा नहीं है. So I have to like have a free mind. So वो अभी तक
Right. So I've watched NBP and भले no budget productions नाम है, but the production quality is way like वो एक top notch है. And I know few locations, it's in our neighborhood, like I guess for Basmya, इधर पास में ही है, मतलब मेरी बिल्डिंग के जस्ट.
I shot that film in front of your building.
हाँ, तो अगर मैं जब देखता हूँ वो लोकेशन और मैं जब फिल्म में देखता हूँ, लाइक ये किसी को रियलाइज़ नहीं होगा कि यहाँ पे हुआ है, किसी को रियलाइज़ नहीं होगा. मतलब जैसे अभी भी मैं अगर भस्मा के पोस्टर्स देखता हूँ, आई फील लाइक एक सेकेंड, दिस इज़ द सेम लोकेशन, दैट स्ट्राइक्स मी लेटर ऑन. सो आई गेस योर क्रिएटिव डिसीजंस एंड योर क्रिएटिव विजन will take NBP to new standards.
Thank you.
जब पप्पा
Guest
हमेशा आ
appearance.
जाते हैं.
Guest appearance.
You have been in all the three
Is it?
podcasts. Every time you have come in.
But he can't see me, na?
You can't see, but I'm seeing you now.
But you do your job.
Just sit. एक second. बस तो है. नहीं.
You do your job, na?
No.
I'll do my job.
अरे यार ना यार.
How does it matter?
It matters a lot.
I'm not going to talk on it.
No, still. I will wait for 5 minutes. I don't mind.
Let me see how body you do.
No, I'm not showing you only. So, for the second time, first of all, apologies, Raiva, to
No problem.
have such क्या वर्ड तो नहीं आ रहा है, अर्थ और ऑब्स्टेकल्स इन बिटवीन, बट ठीक है. एनीवेज, ओके, सो इन दिस होल फिल्म मेकिंग का जर्नी, हाउ हैज़ दिस होल जर्नी, लाइक एक क्रिएटिव जर्नी होता है और एक नॉर्मल लाइफ जर्नी होता है, हाउ हैज़ दिस क्रिएटिव जर्नी चेंज्ड यू एज अ पर्सन?
I have started to look at things, at issues, at problems differently. Like after a film, I look at the world in CinemaScope, to be honest. क्योंकि वो like shooting के वक्त and while editing, I'm like, that is my frame, the CinemaScope. And for 2-3 days, I'm like, अरे बाप रे, मुझको सब CinemaScope में दिख रहा है. And you know, like I have increased my observational skills. unknowingly I observe each and everything. I observe each and every person कि अरे ये आना चाहिए शॉर्ट फिल्म में, अरे ये आया तो शॉर्ट फिल्म में. So I'm like even if there is no like strong character, I just remember what that person does, what that person says, how that person looks. As you know, I am bad with names, but I'm good with like faces and their expressions and all. So making short films has like changed me a bit as a person in observing people, in knowing people, in asking people कि क्या है भाई तेरे लाइफ में ऐसा अलग, क्या है तेरे लाइफ में. And to be honest, I don't intend to, but people sometimes open up to
Right.
and I'm like कि अच्छा ऐसा ऐसा भी होता है क्या लाइफ, अच्छा ये भी होता है क्या इसमें, अच्छा वो भी होता है क्या इसमें, अच्छा ऐसा. And to be honest, observing things, experiencing things is the best thing a filmmaker can do, because it doesn't need any skill. It doesn't. It just needs you concentrating on that person.
Right.
So that is my only, not my only uh, learning, but one of my best learnings which I have after I started making short films.
There is one thing that I personally have experienced a lot, which is patience. Because sometimes what happens is while you get an idea or some subject and then you get this crazy scene in your mind कि अरे ये तो ये दिखेगा, ये दिखना, ये बनाना ही पड़ेगा. And that time you need to realize कि नहीं, you have to write more, you have to do more groundwork, बहुत कुछ research करना है. So were you patient enough since the beginning, or how is that?
So for my first film, it was named No Track, the film I had done in my projects. So we had a scene in where we had a street with minimal lighting, and the student is running and running and running, and three of his friends are chasing him and then beating him up. And we tried that shot, and I was like कि bro नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि लाइट्स नहीं है, इक्विपमेंट्स नहीं है वैसा कि जो नाइट शूट अच्छा ले. एंड वी डिडंट हैव द सेंस ऑफ लाइटिंग, सो एवरीथिंग व्हिच वी शॉट वाज इन डार्क. लाइक एवरीथिंग वाज लाइक it was unusable. So we ended that, we changed that, and we made it an indoor end. So so and for patience, the first thing you should do, save money and buy a good laptop. Without a good laptop, you won't like, you'll feel like killing yourself. Shoot हुआ, no problem. शूट में प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, बट वाइल एडिटिंग यू शुड बी लाइक अच्छा एडिट फट 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 करके एडिट हुआ, ओके थोड़ा लाइक there are a few instances where the laptop will lag, and it will lag, but it shouldn't be like अरे बंद हो गया, अरे क्रैश हो गया, अरे ये हो गया, अरे वो हो गया. So that aspect is like, be good with your tools, or else be good enough with your tools कि you will be like ठीक है, I can trust them. If you don't have such tools, earn a bit, save a bit, and then take those tools. By the time you are saving or earning, you can like practical possible problems अगर आए कि अगर night shot चाहिए and you don't have a good enough camera and good enough lighting to do that. So क्या करें? Then I shoot in the day like I did for Sound of Life. The full opening sequence where it is being shown कि अभी ये उठा है by 4 or 5. It has been shot at 5 o'clock in the evening. And I was like कि अभी मैं 5 बजे I need a good shot in which I can tell कि हाँ कि अभी सुबह हो रही है. It is morning, not morning, it is like part early morning, like morning. Very early. सब ब्लू दिखाई,
बट वो शाम को शूट किया.
हाँ शाम को शूट किया, बट नॉट लाइक 7 or 8 o'clock. I shot it at 5 o'clock, and I changed the look and feel.
कलर ग्रेड उसका.
Yeah, color grade किया. So those are the practical problems कि अरे रात का शूट तो मुझसे नहीं होगा ये एनवायरनमेंट में, so मैं क्या करूँ. So that needs some skill development. और थोड़ा यहाँ वहाँ YouTube पे अगर तुम लोग टाइम पास कर रहे हो, leave that, watch videos about changing night into day, changing 4K into 180p, or type random things, and you'll get to learn, and that will, like in
Help
turn,
you.
that will help you, and you'll be a bit patient on the set कि हाँ भाई हो जाए. You won't be like impatient कि नहीं हो रहा, अरे मेरे पास कैमरा नहीं है, फुल फ्रेम नहीं है, नाइट शॉट चाहिए मुझको, ऐसा शॉट चाहिए, वैसा शॉट चाहिए. You have to experience, you have to learn, you have to see a few things on YouTube or from your friends, and I hope that might help people.
So, from the audience point of view, when they get to see some director or some filmmaker, नहीं तो कोई नया series आता है, they just tell us कि अरे watch this is the best one ये वो. Or you know, in those for me personally, in those circumstances I'm like नहीं, तू बोल रहा है तो मैं नहीं देखेगा. I will take my own time. I will be very uninfluenced by whatever is happening. Okay, but when we as filmmakers watch something, it changes our whole thought process, right? But there's this one thing that I've observed in your short films is your style. That hasn't changed a bit. It has evolved. It has like better हो चुका है, but that hasn't changed a bit that way. So how do you, and you know, we get that recognition. So how do you handle all those things? As in वो उतना matter करता है कि नहीं करता है, because sometimes that affects when we are at a low phase. ठीक है, जब failure hit होता है तभी वो hit होता है कि यार ये लोग कैसे सोचेंगे, ये लोग क्या सोचेंगे, ये वो. So have you gone through all that, and if you have, how did you come out of it?
So first of all, you spoke about my style. I personally don't know my style, and the time I know my style, I'll stop making films. कि हाँ भाई ये मैं कर रहा हूँ. So you know कि if I talk this way, I'll keep talking this way. I won't talk like कुछ अलग sound में. So it is the same way कि if I find my like filmmaking style, I might not, you know, experiment things, and I might, you know, कि ये style है मेरा, street style है, style है, I'll do that. So first of all, I don't think of it. Second of all, go with the flow. You're observing things, you're observing people in the market, you're observing people on the streets who are homeless. That helped me for 2 of my films. कि लोग कैसा देखते हैं मेरे पास, लोगों के पास कैसा देखते हैं, कैसा, like what emotion shows up on their face, in their eyes, in their body language. So you know, the basic thing is observing things, observing surroundings is the best thing which teaches you.
Right. You know me since school. ठीक है, बचपन से जानते हैं. So and you have seen
Yes.
me कि like YouTube मेरा start हुआ था, and then कैसे बाकी सब वीडियोज़ है. Are there any questions that you have for me? Because usually ये one-on-one हो जाता है ज़्यादा, but it is more of a hangout.
I only have one question कि episode 2 कब आ रहा है? And episode 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
हाँ, तो
So
वो तो वो शूट करना है. तो जब तक मैं बाहर नहीं निकल सकता, लाइक माहिम छोड़ के कहीं और जा नहीं सकता. So by that time I can't shoot anything. Even if I shoot house like indoor scenes, still that continuity might get disturbed. So that is why I'm just keeping that on hold, and I'm planning to like make this whole season again properly. So एक ही टाइम पे एक पैकेज जैसे रिलीज करूँ, not that okay अभी एक शूट किया फिर बाद में. So that is one thing. एक्चुअली मैं जब सोच रहा था कि रायबा को बुलाना है क्रिएटर्स हैंगआउट पे, आई वाज लाइक यार ये तो बाजू में ही रहता है, और मैं लेजिट सोच रहा था, अभी अलाउड नहीं है एक दूसरे के सोसाइटीज़ में जाने को, बट
Yes.
अगर पॉसिबल होता ऐसे हम लोग मास्क पहन के करते थे.
Obviously. But नहीं, it is a good idea कि मास्क पहन के करो, but रिस्क बहुत है यार,
रिस्क बहुत है.
बहुत रिस्क.
मैं एक्चुअली सोच रहा हूँ मैं मेरे मास्क को लाइक ऐसा पेंट करूँ, एक ऐसा स्माइली उस पर बनाऊँ, सो दैट
हाँ,
जब भी किसी के सामने जाओ सो आई दे सी दिस स्माइलिंग फेस. एक से हाँ, मेरे पेरेंट्स ना काफ़ी तगड़े हैं. ओके, सो इस बार पापा ने, इस बार मम्मी बुला रही थी, बट तो आगे के प्लान्स क्या है, मतलब अभी तो लॉकडाउन है और ये वो है, बट फॉर अ फिल्म मेकर स्पेशली यू, व्हाट इज़ योर फ्यूचर ये?
so I made a film in January for a film festival, but I wasn't like 100% sure and convinced with the film. So what we have decided कि dubbing होगा, अच्छे से music होगा, बैठ के sessions करके we'll make music, and then I'm writing 2-3 scripts जैसा दिमाग में आता है, and I'm following what Anurag Kashyap is following. He said in a podcast he writes the script or he thinks of a film उल्टा कि एंड में क्या होगा, अच्छा ऐसा होगा, तो फिर he builds the story in that way कि end he is like end is the most important thing कि वो एंड लेके लोग घर पे जाएंगे, वो स्टार्ट देख के घर पे नहीं जाएंगे.
ये है मेरा भी वो अप्रोच है.
So I'm like trying to follow that thing कि I'll write the end and then I'll like logically place bits and pieces before the climax. So वो try हो रहा है. And freelancing, like if you are a filmmaker you have to freelance, you have to earn money for yourself, you have to like क्या
राइट,
बोलते हैं, एक मिनट.
रोजी रोटी.
हाँ, not that way, like
इंडिपेंडेंट मनी,
explore yourself, make contacts with people, do some do some ad film BTS and get the contact of that DOP and make friends with people who might help you in future. Even if you don't have a camera, don't have a laptop, if you don't like, if you are just writing films and directing it, write something and sell it, or write something and post it, so you will be in practice. If you are a filmmaker with all gears at home, keep yourself in practice, keep the gears in practice. क्योंकि अगर मैंने आज क्लाइंट के लिए शूट किया, keeping my hand steady and doing the corporate things, और अगर a month later if I get an opportunity to shoot a similar scene for my own short film, I will be practiced for that कि हाँ ब्रो, हाँ कि मैंने एक महीने पहले उसके लिए ऐसा शूट किया, so I'll shoot it the same way. I won't cry about it कि stable नहीं आएगा इतना. I'll be practiced in my skills.
That
So
would be
that
my
is a-
biggest takeaway.
Yeah, so keep yourself in practice is the most important thing I can tell any filmmaker. And to be honest, lockdown है, lockdown उठेगा पता नहीं, मोदी जी कह रहे हैं फिर से उठेगा पता नहीं, but do something in this period. Like as a filmmaker, I was dreaming about staying at home and doing something for a big time, and ये हुआ है. This is the reality. I made a 1-minute short film at home for coronavirus awareness. So yeah, like do something at home, write something at home. You can sing, you can dance, you can like just shoot few things and club it together and release it on YouTube.
Hmm.
अब बहुत कुछ है करने को. Like Netflix has released its own short film during the coronavirus. They shot it during the coronavirus.
Which one?
The Will You Be My Quarantine? It is
Oh,
on Netflix. Netflix India का YouTube page.
okay.
So that film was shot in the lockdown period by the DOP, by the people who stayed in the same vicinity or same building.
Hmm.
I don't know the details, but the film looks very good. But with that, the story is very innovative.
Okay.
The taking is very innovative. But व्यूअर को दिखता है कि हाँ भाई ये लॉकडाउन में शूट हुआ है.
Hmm.
They don't have like big cameras, big lights and everything. The film has been shot in a house. जो लाइट है जैसा है थोड़ा सा ट्वीक करके they have shot it, but they have shown the quarantine life of the two people so beautifully कि ये भी हो सकता है क्वारंटाइन में.
Hmm.
If you are passionate enough.
Have you ever felt कि ओके मेरा पैशन फिल्म मेकिंग है, मुझे इसमें इंटरेस्ट है, बट आज मुझे लग रहा है कि शायद नहीं, मुझे पसंद नहीं है. यू आर नॉट फीलिंग दैट कनेक्ट विथ योर पैशन. हैव यू फेल्ट दैट?
Yes, a few days, but if you feel that you are not connected with your passion, do something else for that day. The next day again you will get up and be like, I am a filmmaker.
हाउ डू यू एक्सप्लेन दैट? कि क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ऐसा ना लाइक सवाल आता है कि यार इतना हाथ पैर मार के अभी खुल रहा हूँ मैं, एंड देन दिस फीलिंग दैट कम्स इन, मतलब कहीं से पीछे से आके एकदम हूँ लाइक ए आ गया मैं करके, एंड इट इज़ डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज देन इट प्लेज विद द माइंड कि you had this opportunity but you went in this shithole. So for you, did you what is your lowest phase till now in general life?
I really don't know. So I have a system कि सब रिसाइकल बिन में डालते जाता हूँ. जो है चलो रिसाइकल बिन वैसा है कि नहीं पास्ट नहीं कुछ ये नहीं है कुछ उसका. आई जस्ट लिव दैट डे इवन इफ आई फील लाइक आज नहीं करना है कुछ राइटिंग कुछ नहीं करना है. आई टेक अ गुड फिल्म, वेल मेड फिल्म, आई रीड सम रिव्यूज, आई वॉच दैट फिल्म एंड आई एम लाइक कि ये मैं कर सकता हूँ पर मैं क्यों नहीं कर रहा ये. एंड आई स्लीप विद दैट क्वेश्चन कि मैं ये क्यों नहीं कर रहा.
Right.
My motivation is demotivating myself and asking myself a question कि अरे मैं गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर जैसी फिल्म क्यों नहीं बना सकता. That film was not shot with big lights, big generators,
कुछ नहीं.
a set and everything. It was shot with just a good story, good actors, good planning, a good DOP, which was his friend. So why can't I? I know I can't right now, but why can't I in future? If he worked for 5 years for one film, like Tumbad. Tumbad was in making for at least 6 to 10 years, and
Wow.
I am just I have passed out my 10th standard
In
like
2014.
6 years ago. So if I had 2 more years, then Tumbad film would have like
हाँ.
उतना टाइम लगा Tumbad को बनने में, right from scratch to what it was. Like the thing is, one of my friend was like, अरे Tumbad बनाने के लिए वो 6 साल रुका. I was like नहीं, वो 6 साल काम किया to make that film.
Right.
So that is the essence कि you work, let the film slap you. एक सटाक से मारना चाहिए कि ये गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर जैसी फिल्म which we praise a lot was made with a very low budget.
Right.
Why can't you? बधाई हो जैसी फिल्म was made with a less with almost like
Less production.
indie film budget. But why is that film great? The work behind it, the passion behind it, the hard work behind it, and the story, of course, कि वो जो observational skills है कि mom getting pregnant and then the reactions of that family, reactions of the society, reactions of Ayushmann Khurrana's girlfriend, his girlfriend's mother, that observational skills you need to like imbibe in yourself. Sairaj जैसे film को 3 साल क्यों लगे? Why did he had to like go into some village, take out the
Young talents.
actors, do the workshop for a year? He was not like कि मैं एक काम करता हूँ, मेरे पास ऐसा actor नहीं है, I'll cast someone who can act and say those lines in that way. What he did was exceptional. He waited, he worked, and that was like कि अरे ये तो इंडियन फिल्म है, अरे ये तो रीजनल फिल्म है, अरे ये तो महाराष्ट्र में है, एंड मैं भी वहाँ पे रहता हूँ, भैया मैं क्यों नहीं बना सकता ऐसा? डोंट मेक अ डिक्टो कॉपी बट गेट इंस्पायर्ड कि अरे ब्रो उसने क्या काम किया, ही वर्क फॉर सो मेनी इयर्स एंड यू आर बीइंग लाइक आज काम नहीं हो रहा कुछ, you wait, you see something, you watch their content and get a bit inspired and just slap yourself कि तुझसे आज नहीं हो रहा है ना, ये फिल्म देख,
एक दिन होगा.
एक दिन होगा, और ऐसे काम कर, you start from tomorrow.
Okay, your top 3 directors.
Top 3
directors that you admire a lot, or filmmakers in general.
top 3 directors. So number 3 will be Anurag Kashyap.
Okay.
Number 2 will be Martin Scorsese, and number 1 will be
I'm waiting for that.
इसका नाम दो. Number 1 will be the director the director whose film I like tomorrow. Any director. कि Martin Scorsese and Anurag Kashyap are my second and third, but the best director will be like, अगर if I like your film, if I watch your YouTube short film, and if I like that film, and if I sleep with that film in my head, you will be my favorite director today. Tomorrow someone else will be my favorite director. So वैसा है.
By the way, Martin and Anurag have met each other.
Yes.
I guess हम दोनों ने वो interview देखा है. The film was The Wolf of Wall Street, where Anurag Kashyap was called for a special screening, and he got to watch the uncut version
Yes.
of The Wolf of Wall Street. Before ending this creator hangout, there is one question that I will always be asking every creator that comes on the show. What is time?
What is
Time.
time? Illusion that you cannot get out of. It is the illusion that is a reality, to be honest. If you miss that time, it won't come back.
Right.
But reality में ऐसा बोलते हैं कि if it is real, it is in the present. But time का you can predict it, you can be prepared for it.
Right.
And time का मतलब if it is अभी if you are going for a meeting, go on time. It sets a perfect example to who you are talking to. If you are speaking to a financer, if he calls you at 12 a.m. at night, go there at 12 a.m. Don't go there at 1 a.m. and be like, नहीं सर मैं सोया था, मैं नहीं उठा. No. 12 a.m. को जाओ, काम करो, बोलो. If you reach the set or the meeting place at time, it will help you.
Okay. So there are so many more questions. Like, what do you think about the universe and ye wo and you know God signs and ye sab. But obviously maybe some another
Yes.
podcast we'll continue on that.
I'll study, to be honest, about universe and that. क्योंकि मैं art student हूँ. I can't tell like anything about universe and time and how it works and why it works. But you know, this is my understanding कि time important है bro. अगर time पे नहीं रहोगे, अगर time पे if you are not prepared for what you want to be prepared, what you want to be, the time will just poof and cut to you will be old and the famous dialogue ट्रेन थी टिकट हाथ में था ट्रेन में नहीं चढ़े
3 Idiots
dialogue.
wala.
3 Idiots वाला dialogue.
Okay, so let's end this with this nice sing slate जो ऑनेस्टली एक ये पेन है इसमें और ये फ़ोन का कुछ तो है कवर चार्जर था इसमें बट एनीवेज थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग अस ऑन क्रिएटर्स हैंगआउट
Thanks a lot.
इट वाज एन अमेजिंग टाइम एंड मिलते शाम को बाजू के बिल्डिंग भी है
Sure.
चलो
It was amazing to talk to you after like 5 days. Wow.
चलो सो फिल्म मेकिंग स्टाइल में लेट्स हैव अ रैप 3, 2, 1 एंड कट
Pack up.
पैक अप